welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna walk through a program that allow the user to enter test score and calculate the average score, the number of passing score, and whether the class average is passing or not. So we first declare our function to calculate the average score. Here we declare the variables to hold the values. Here we have an integer score, integer count, the counter variable, the int passing score variable, and the float total. Here we put the f here to specify the data type float, that the data type is float, because without the f this will be this will act like a double data type. So because we put float here, that's why we specify here with the f. Here the loop to allow the user to enter multiple test score. Here we say why the user continue entering the input, keep prompting the user, you keep prompting the user to enter a test score, and this read the score from the user. So, and it will calculate the score each time the user enter the score. Here we will calculate and keep incrementing the count of the score. Then here we'll check if the score is passing or not. So if the score is greater or equal to 17, you will keep calculating and we'll keep incrementing the count, and we'll keep asking the user if they want to enter another score. When the user enter 1, when the user answer is 1, that means it will keep prompting the user until the user say enter 0 for no, which is false. And once they enter a red, the user responds to continue entering the score. And here we initialize. Once the average is calculated, it will keep initializing the average score to a floating point, and if the count is higher than 0, it will calculate the average score. And once we have all and everything is entered here, once the user enter 0 here for no, then it will calculate the average and print the result, the score enter, the passing score, and the average score. So if the user continue entering 1, it will keep calculating until it enter 0 will be false, and then it will print out all this, the result, the score, and the passing score. Okay, let's run the program. Let's compile G++ video. So the program asks us to enter the score between 0 and 100. Let's enter 95 and enter. Now the program is asking to if you want to enter another score. If you want to enter another score, we should just enter 1. Or if you don't want another score, we should enter 0. Let's enter another score. Let a fine. Actually, this happened because I enter I did not enter or 1 or 0. I encounter an issue here, so I have to close my VS Code and launch it back again. So here we are. Let's go to the working directory and let's compile our program. Let's run. The program asks us to enter a test code. Yeah, the problem we had is because I did not pay attention to this question. So I pay attention, but I did not answer like what it was asking to do. I put a number higher than 1. That's why it threw an error. So yeah, always pay attention to what when you are running your program. So I'll enter 1. Let's enter another score. Really? And it prompts us to enter another score. If you want to enter another score, yes, you should answer 1 for true or 0 for false. Let's enter 1 for another score, and let's go to another score. 55. Okay. And let's enter 0 for false here. And the program will prompt us. That's the result of this is displaying the result of all our questioning. Here we go. The score we enter 3 score, and the passing score is 2. So which means with 3 we should pass like 2. We should have like 2 to pass this. And the average score is 26, 67, and the class average passing is 1. That means we pass. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.